I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Park, key out, and open the tailgate so you can reach the rear wiper comfortably. Remove the small plastic cap covering the retaining nut and set it aside. This exposes the nut you'll remove. Lift the wiper arm gently. Once it clears the glass, hold it steady so the spring doesn't snap it down and damage the glass. Now you're ready to loosen the retaining nut and take the arm off its spline. Once the nut is off, you'll pull the wiper arm straight up from the spline. This may take a little force because of a press fit, so pull evenly. With the arm safely aside, press the blade's release tab and slide the old insert or whole blade off the hook-style connector. Fit the new rear wiper blade by aligning the connector, sliding until you hear a firm click, and visually confirm the rubber follows the glass curvature. Make sure the arm sits correctly on the spline before you torque the nut. Tighten it snugly so the arm won't rotate under load, then snap the plastic cap back on to keep moisture out. Lower the arm gently onto the glass and start the ignition to cycle the rear wiper. Observe sweep, quietness, and parking position. If the blade skips, chatter, or fails to park, first recheck nut tightness and blade lock. Next, inspect the fuse and motor linkage. Loose linkage or blown fuse are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.